Far where I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So you don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never changed. I'm packing, I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then there's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself. Practice what you preach.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's see, what do we have here? A phone jail. Let's go ahead and erase that. All right. So today, let's refresh the screen. All right, it is NFP week, right? First week of the month. We have now from payroll. Monday was great. Tuesday was much better than I thought. And so we're gonna see, and then Trump speaks today, but not until 4 o'clock in regards to the tariffs, right? That he's supposed to be announcing today. So, will it affect the markets? Will it not? It is now 9:09. All right. So about 20 minutes left to market open. Let's review yesterday. Yesterday was awesome. Yesterday, should have waited for more patience, right? I initially bought here and then said to myself, yo, I bought too high, it might retrace back to here. So I got out, it was like $100 or practically break even. Then I tried this twice because I was hoping for what I thought was some divergence, okay? With ES grabbing those equal lows and figuring, okay, maybe NQ didn't have to, okay? Because there has been times in the past where I waited for sell side liquidity and it never came, okay? And I was thinking that because we have Sunday's open gap that clearly can be used as some sort of support. But I also did have this as an area of interest too. So I should have just been more patient to wait for my setup. After I got out here, that was the best idea. Because if we went up above here, I could have just caught continuations. Nonetheless, I was able to go ahead and recover after getting a reaction that I wanted from an area of interest. And then this was my setup here. Now, whether I would have used this as an inversion or this, and this one is kind of tough to be honest with you, because usually when I'm waiting for a fair value gap, I'm not catching the top of the fair value gap. I'm typically waiting for something close to the center. But once we get above here and we got the inversion and it left that open, I knew it was going to be super bullish. And so I keep forgetting what ICT calls it, the gap that doesn't fill. But anyways, I ended up taking profit. I took off some here, all right, took off half here, and the rest I let closed right above here. Let's see, 12:30 retracement. It probably went a little bit higher, but this is lunch times, and if I don't take some off or most of it off by lunchtime, look what happened. Yes, it went a little bit higher. Okay, about 12.20. We came to this retracement. I'm pretty sure plenty of people tried to buy here. And then right when we get up here, we broke down. And so, although I wouldn't have been stopped out, and I would have been fine by the end of the day, they ended up closing right around close to where I got off. So I didn't miss much at all. I think I did an amazing job. I won on my demo. I did hold because I was hoping for 19,700 here, big figure number, and it almost got there during overnight session, right, at 6 p.m. And then so everything is going according to plan. All right, when we look off the daily, back the daily here. Did I have the daily already? I had the daily already. Okay, so we talked about this on the daily. Okay, is that we don't have to go all the way back up here in order to continue bearish. This was bearish. We've already done the move. This entire area is a very, very balanced price action. Could price go up there? It can, but it does not have to. And so coming back here now, all right, we don't have to always get back to the center or the midpoint of a fair value gap. And so I had this gap here as an area of interest, but I was hoping for 19,700 simply because it was a big figure number. Okay, I stated that on Monday that I wanted these buys as a retracement. And what else did I state on Monday? All right, on Monday I said that this run up here, right, on the 15-minute time frame that I was on the 15-minute time frame from Tuesday I said that we went Tuesday of last week's high. I said we went more than 4 standard deviations. Okay, and so, and this is, I'm just restating what I said on Monday. And then so now what I'm looking at is typically after we reach 4 or 5 standard deviations, typically 4 most of the time, I'm looking now for a 50% retracement. Okay, did we get that? No. Maybe if I attach it to the bodies, but I'm not trying to Monday quarterback anything. I was looking for a 50% retracement, okay? And I had this blue box as an area of interest, okay? This was I had this as a bullish breaker and looking to see if that was going to become an inversion here, right? And that's why I ended up closing here, because we didn't quickly get above it, okay? But I also stated that price could potentially go here, but I wasn't holding to here. So now let me clean up yesterday's chart, just so we look a little bit more clean. Monday, we took the lows, ate that up, buy side liquidity. Okay, taking off the things that we basically do not need. All right, price did come up here. I don't need that. All right, I'm leaving these where price heavily respected. Okay, so you had the market open, which after taking sell side liquidity, that gap became reclaimed and supported it going up. Okay, and then this created this up move after, this is probably about 50 or 62. retracement. What we got here? Yeah, 62% retracement, almost 70. Nice. So we got OTE here. All right, a little bullish breaker along with the fair value gap. Price close, regular trading hours. And we've been trending down since that up move. Let me put it on a 5-minute, make it look easier too. So what I would imagine, all right, because I did this on demo. So on demo, I held it the entire time to see if we get there overnight. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only trader thinking this. So looking to go to 19,700. This is why I don't hold overnight, by the way. Looking to go to 19,700. Price does not get there. So you know what people are going to do? Probably chase it to keep going higher. And it just retraces. I'm pretty sure people probably tried to buy in London. This is London market open gap. And so everyone is chasing this price right here. Okay. This is just how I interpret it, by the way. Let me refresh this because 8:30 price should have been adjusted by now. Here we go. That's much better. All right. So get back on 5-minute. So everyone is probably chasing this to go this high. And now all of a sudden it's too late. So I dragged all of these areas that was respected over to see if it's going to create more downtrend. We had these equal lows here. So let's see what happens when market opens up in about 10 minutes to see do we bounce back. But I honestly have absolutely no target up here. Unless we're going to just go back to Asia high and we actually do go back up here. And then at that point, my area of interest would probably be Asia's, right? Price action. Only because this gap here to this gap here during Asia, that looked very, very balanced to me. And so to me, that would be a balanced price action where even if it does go up, it might stop right there. Okay, so balanced price action. All right, when it comes to balanced price action, price does not have to get up there. But if it does, it should be treated as a, well, if it's a true balanced price action, and especially with it being at a premium at this point, it should just continue. It should create a block where it doesn't allow. But what I am honestly thinking that is going to happen, if we get up here, I honestly probably not gonna know what to do. And I'll probably, if I do find a setup, I'll probably get in with a very, very low, maybe one contract if we get up above this area. Okay. I'm hoping that we honestly stay below here is what I'm hoping for. And let me see, mark up this area. Worst case scenario, let's see here. Boom, boom. That's a gap. Alright. So this is the gap that I have. Alright. Let me move this over. Alright. So this is a slight area of inefficiency. So maybe we can come back up here before coming back down. It's 8:30. This is 8:30 price right here. Okay. If we go down, all right, my first target would probably be this PM session liquidity from Monday. And then early in the week, when I mentioned if we do come down, right, how far low can we go? I would want us to, I want it to come from up here to come down here, take out Monday's low, and then use that market open here to be supported. Oh, I drew that perfectly. All right, to come back down. All right, and that will go coincide with us being bearish based off of the daily. The sell side liquidity caused the reaction to be tracement, but it does not cause a reversal. Okay, we still have 2 standard deviations here on the daily, and these get adjusted with contract. And then this has 4 standard deviations, but we don't have to necessarily get all the way down there today. All right, so let's clean this up now. All of these are areas of interest. This is 1030's price. If we get here, we might as well get here. So let's see what gets presented to us. I'd love price to come up here and then come back. I don't trust this gap here, it being 6 o'clock, but I do trust this gap here from London. So let's see what we get. Alright, so this is 830 price. So technically at 924 we have now taken out very, very minor sell side liquidity, but it does not necessarily mean it's enough for a reversal. Okay, but so we're just going to watch 925. You're starting to get some lively price action. Okay, let's see if we just continue trending down, which is what I would prefer, but then I would want to set up, and it looked like I told myself I may not trade today, so I didn't even log in to my account. But let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna log into my account and then hope I can put some restraints on. A second here. All right, so I'm logged in now. Market is open. Okay, it is 9:26. Okay, 9:26. Market is open. We just took some minor sell side here. Let's take a look at ES real quick. All right, ES has not taken its 830 lows. All right, and then it's midnight price. Okay. And same thing goes for here. We're not back at Sunday open here for ES yet. Relatively speaking, we're back into that gap too, and then it went down. So let's see. And then we got the same thing. Okay. Where you got going to be as precise as NQ. But let's see. All right, so that happens at London Open. Trust that. Don't necessarily trust this gap, but this gap coincides with 757. What do I have here? Yeah, there's a little something here. Nothing crazy though. If price even gets there, but okay. So you have right now just a little bit of a divergence. Okay. All right, let's go. I'll go full screen now. No. For the most part, I like using my tools, but I have them here. Okay. All right, put that aside. Market opens in about 10 seconds. All right, market opens. ES eventually did take that sell side liquidity. All right. And there is no Wednesday. There's these small things at 10, factory crude oil. So nothing really to be worried about. It looked like price just wants to keep going down. It would be easy just to go ahead and jump in the shorts, but got to be nimble. Gotta be patient, and if I don't get anything, I don't get anything. Fast forward some of this music. This is the first gap. All right, let's see. Do we get that short from here? Or does it trade through? Alright, so it looked like I'm wrong. We're not going to come down. Alright. Might as well get to 19,700 at this point, you know. crazy thing is, DXY is going up. Like, look at DXY is going up too. DXY is also going up. So I feel like something gotta give. You know. So the markets are manipulated. Alright. Let's remove that. Because that was completely disregarded. Alright. All the reason to short. You have ES. That's not market closure. Okay. If you missed the move, you missed the move. I want a shot. Ugh. Or is it just a retracement? There's a lot of people chasing this sell. I mean this buy. But I can't just sell just for the sake of selling. But what I do see is that this same buy side liquidity that NQ took, ES did not. Okay, so it can at least cause a reaction, but I can't just be guessing me in. People are trying to short this top. There's people who's trying to wait for this retracement to come back up. Let's see. We're below midnight. We're above 8:30. It's enough of a premium. What regular trading hours look like? This is about 75% from yesterday's close on the regular trading hours. All right. This is just one of those moves that I missed, man. I am not chasing this. I didn't see a bullish breaker that I trusted. We have this market open gap. We took sell side at, this did become an inversion, but yeah. Midnight price. ES is just reaching this buy side liquidity here. We're back at London's market open. Midnight. How did we not come back to market open? Come on now. Took out those lows, took out more sell side. I really did not expect this. I want to see us get underneath this fair value gap. And then break down. Look at that. 238 point. Woo! DXY is just consolidating. Can we get some shorts? Can we get some shorts? filled most of that gap. Look at this. What a finer reason to short, my G. Is the short right here if it's gonna short. Let's go. Why is it? If I am wrong, then I am wrong. We come back up here, then I'm getting out. Closing out. But I like this setup for retracement. And alright, this not looking good. Why is this showing executions right now? Was I just not confident in the move? Let me see something. This probably is the right move. Alright, I'm back. I don't want it getting above this, to be honest with you. See, 5 minute, that is a February gap. I don't like the way the 15-minute candle looks. 140, but I do think we can close. Let's see. want to see where we are at 10 o'clock. Yeah, I don't like this candle closure. Where we gonna be at? Yeah, I don't want this wick right here on this candle. So this might not work out. But I'm in it. I'm in it. In it to win it. You know, we got below here. Got below here. Alright. So it's 60 seconds left for this candle. I just want to get back here. All right, it's looking good. 5 seconds left for this candle. 3 seconds left for this candle. 10 o'clock. Oh, that was a nice little. Look like it's going back up. Oh yeah. People trying to short gonna get killed. Let's see. Is there news or something? Wednesday, there is news, but this is like, yeah, that's not good. Took a dip and then came back out. All right, close that. Clearly wrong. Thought that bad boy was gonna drop. So this held on strong. All right, let's come back here. So they call a bull flag. It's a bearish turn. Today just might be a red day. This is the balance price range. 8 minutes to this candle closure. Is it an L day? And if it is, do I just say, hey, I'll come back tomorrow? This is my last line of defense. If we go up here, I am closing the charts and then waiting to see what happens tomorrow because, yeah. Minute candle opens here. Wait for the setup. If we're gonna come back down here, it's a long way down. Do I wish I was in it? Of course I do. I'd be at break even by now. You can be right about the bias and be wrong about the trade. But see, now I can't just sell here, right? I'd be chasing it. I need a reason. This looks balanced, but still. 5 minute looks good. This 15-minute wick is crazy, diabolical. Let's see, does this candle flip? All right, let's get right here. Alright, we're below the opening of that 15-minute candle. So trying to see if that's gonna just flip now and that up here becomes a balanced price range. That's what I'm doing. Probably wasn't smart. Let's see here. Yeah, this whole thing didn't come up here. If we get below here, I'm gonna move my stop to break even because that's just a lot, to be honest with you. The goal would be to get right back at the market open or close to it. That's what I want to do. All right, I'm gonna move to break even because I know I didn't have the best price. Okay, so if it comes back, it comes back. Come on, come back at the open for me. All right. Candle came back here. I want to go lower. Candle closes in 2 minutes. Short, short, short. Let's give that. Come on, go back down for me. Oh, you know what? I'll do one. This is what I'll do. If I can get down here, I'll do one. And then let more rock. Come on. Just go back down though. If we go back up, I'm 100% closing the charts, because that just means I was completely wrong for the day. I feel like we're short. I'm just trying to find a decent entry. I want to at least be able to short and then find, take some partials and then let some run. But 15-minute candle. This wick is nasty. It's not the best price action. All right, I'm closing this, guys. calling it a day. I'm not gonna sit here and give back all my profits. So a small red day, and then just keep it moving from there. And we'll come back on tomorrow. All right, so I took 3 small trades and 3 small L's. All right. I could have at least made my money back when I caught this short, but I wanted here for partial, so I get it. I wanted to at least come back up here because I do feel like this is sell side liquidity. And then it looked like ES did it, but NQ did not. So, oh no, ES did not. So, all right. Let's see, that's the 10 o'clock. So, yeah, this just held. Those wicks were nasty, so. Wick fills. I always think of wick fills. But, alright guys, I'm going to call it a day because if I stay on the charts too long, I will find something that I like. Alright.
Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Reps it. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, push it, push it, push it.